Hi, it's Miss Rosie with the San Diego Natural History Museum. You know, one of my favorite things about San Diego is that there are so many open spaces to visit, whether it's a park or a canyon or maybe even the beach. Somewhere near you, whether it's your backyard or somewhere else, you can find some open space to maybe take a hike in. And that's what our story is about today. This is called The Hike, and it is written and illustrated by Alison Farrell. I have to show you, this book is neat. You take off the dust jacket, that outside paper. Look what's underneath. Some beautiful drawings. I wonder who made all those drawings. And on the back, what do you think is going to happen on this hike? Can you guess? Yoo-hoo, almost ready? Just one more cut. Just a few more feathers. So let's take a look. That says sunflower. There are our friends. Are you ready to go? What are they doing? Just one more cut and one more feather. What is she doing there? We are going on a hike. Let's see who our friends are. This is Wren, Elle, Hattie, and Bean. Now it looks like they're seeing some creatures as they go for their hike. Take a look. Oh, there's a little chipmunk and a feather and a fox. So what's that up there? It's our favorite thing to do. Take a look. Oh, there's that chipmunk again. I see some beautiful plants, owls in a tree. And look, this says, shook, 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 shook. That sounds like a bird up in the sky. That looks like a jay. Steller's jay. Hey, wait for me. So do you see what's down here? There's that chipmunk again. Lots of things. You can see the roots growing there. This says, in the beginning, we ran like maniacs. That sounds like fun, right? Until a ripe patch of thimbleberries slows us down. So look at what they're doing now. Eating lots of berries. Got to be careful. You don't know what kind of berries are good to eat. They probably had a grown-up show them. Look at the toad. And who's that again? Do you see? Elle teaches us how to make leaf baskets. Like this, Elle. So take a look. She's got in her Wren's sketchbook, she's got some pictures about how to make a leaf basket. And then look over here. There they are. Like this, Elle? Yep. We may have eaten too many berries. Is that possible? What's happening? Oh, look at them. Oh, their tummies are too full. But on the top, tap, 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 tap. What's tapping on the tree? You know, that's a woodpecker. What does she say? I thought we were saving some for later. And what do you see right there? I love the chipmunk that's through this book. The hike gets steep and the trail narrows. So take a look at all these creatures. And boo! And then she says, Ack! Hattie, how did you get up there? I wonder how she got up there. We get lost. Which way is north? Pretty sure we were not supposed to cross a river yet. So take a look there. They have maps. Do you see what they're looking at? Those look like paper maps. Maybe they've made them themselves, right? This is a topographical map. Shows the different heights. See if maybe you have one on at home you can see. Did we go left after the berry patch? Right, I think. Wren, what's another word for blue? Azure, cerulean, cobalt. So what are they doing? They're looking in their sketchbooks and at their maps. And there's a picture of Wren's sketchbook. It says, Hattie always finds the route, and a bird's eye view of Hattie. We're halfway there. In no time, we get back on track. It says trail map. We're almost there. Who made these? Who do you think made those tracks? A deer walks past. Bean sneezes. Oh, do you see the spider web up there in the corner? There's that chipmunk again. Looks like it was a deer that made those tracks. The deer vanishes so quick, we wonder if it was ever really there. A light rain comes and goes. The birds are happy. We listen to them chirp and chatter in the trees. This is the river where we were looking for, right, Hattie? Yep. There's the bridge going over the river. Look at that. That's in there. And this looks like Wren's sketchbook. Hattie gets tired. Elle offers to carry you. We can't hear you. I said 30 minutes to the top. That sounds like a long way. Look, there's a slug. We've got a beautiful waterfall. Soon, Elle is tired too. That can happen. You can get tired on a walk. Giddy up, I can't do this much longer. Ride's over, everyone. Brr, it's getting chilly. Let's take a look. Oh my goodness, all these things in there. Looks they went up pretty high. There's that chipmunk again. It looks like they hiked way up into the mountains. At the top, Wren takes out her flag. Elle reads her poem, and Hattie releases feathers into the wind. We did it. And there they are at the top. They look cold though. I'm a little bit tired. But here, look. Now what are they doing? Heading back down the mountain. Or maybe it's just a hill. Look, it's starting to get dark. The stars, and they've made the constellations out of them. There's so much to see in this book. More notes from Wren's sketchbook. So here's some things that she saw. Look at all those things she saw. Steller's jay, looks like some barred owls. What else did she see? Some trees. Look at more of the sketchbook. There's a swarm. some bees. Looks like invasive plant awards. Wonder what that's about. There's this slug. She's even got pictures of those deer tracks. Oh, and then look here, look at this one. Vanilla leaf. Lots of different kinds of plants. She did a nice job with her sketchbook, didn't she? Wow. Looks like a beaver. She talked about all the different parts of the beaver. And then look, a stand of trees. Pretty neat sketchbook. Oh, look at that plant. It even has clouds. She drew the clouds. That was a wonderful story, wasn't it? What a great adventure they went on. And that sketchbook was pretty amazing. So I got inspired. I thought, oh, I want a sketchbook of my own, but I called it a nature journal. So I just took a couple pieces of paper and stapled them together, and I said, my nature journal. And I drew some of my favorite animals, a bee and an owl and a butterfly and even a leaf. There's my name right in the corner. And then next time I go on a hike, I can make it just like Ren's sketchbook and add some pictures of all the wonderful things that I see on my hike. I hope you get a chance to get outside and take some paper and make a sketch of something that you see. Have a wonderful day, and I'll see you next time.